Hey guys, today we are going to create the super cute mouse in Blender step by step from scratch. Even if you are a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along and still learn something new. Okay, now we see a simple cube in this scene. We will add a reference image and place it in the scene. Then add a subdivision surface modifier and apply it. Later, we will work with the shape we get after applying this modifier. And we'll create the mouse's snout. Now I delete half of the snout. Then I apply the mirror modifier because I want to make the process easier. And now, when I work with one half, the changes will be applied to both sides. Make sure to enable proportional editing. Now we will start shaping the snout according to our reference. So make sure the proportional editing button is active. Also, in the mirror modifier, make sure to enable clipping so that the two halves do not separate during modeling. Next, we create the nose using the usual extrusion with the E key.
Little step, she moves so light. Tail swings softly left to right. No rush, she's in control. Tiny body, giant soul. Don't need noise, don't need hype. Quiet charm, that's her type. I'm a mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink, yeah, I'm
To speed up
cuter than
and
you
simplify
think.
the process, we will refine some details in Sculpt mode. So, in certain areas, we will add additional loops to create more geometry and make it easier to edit.
Tiny queen, small but wise. She don't run, she just sways slow. Every move is a little show. I'm a mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you think.
From this point, I'll switch between modes quite often. Some parts are easier to fix in edit mode, just by moving points. Others are much more comfortable to refine in sculpt mode. So, I'll use both, depending on what works best.
Little step, she moves so light. Tail swings softly left to right. No rush, she's in control. Tiny body, giant soul. Don't need noise, don't need hype. Quiet charm, that's her type. I'm a mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you think.
Now, we need to create the eyes and the mouth. But first, we'll delete the unnecessary faces and make holes where the eyes and mouth will be placed.
I'm a mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you.
Don't forget to adjust the shapes in edit mode as well. And now it's time to create the little mouth. Now, we add additional loops in necessary areas to make it easier to extrude the ear into the desired shape. After that, we extrude it in the same way as before. Shape the ear.
From a cube and blender, late at night, little mouse came into life. Soft gray fur and shiny eyes, tiny queen, small but wise. She don't run, she just sways slow. Every move is a little show. I'm a mouse, mouse girl, soft but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you think. I'm a mouse, mouse girl, fluff in a 3D world. Small size, big vibe, made in blender, I'm alive. Little steps, she moves so light. Tail swings softly left to right. No rush, she's in control. Tiny body, giant soul. Don't need noise, don't need hype. Quiet charm, that's her type. I'm a mouse, mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big
And create the inner cavities for the mouth and the eyes.
than you think. cube in blender late at night. Little mouse came into life, soft gray fur and shiny eyes. Tiny queen, small but wise. She don't run, she just sways slow. Every move is a little show. I'm a mouse girl, soft but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink, yeah, I'm cuter than you think. I'm a mouse girl, fluff in a 3D world. Small size, big vibe, made in blender, I'm alive. Yeah. Little steps, she moves so light. Tail swings softly left to right. No rush, she's in control. Tiny
And of
body,
course, at
giant
the final
soul.
stage,
Don't need
we
noise,
are the
don't need
eyes.
hype. Quiet charm, that's her type. I'm a mouse girl. Soft, but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you think. From a cube and blender, late at night. Little mouse came into life. Soft gray fur and shiny eyes. Tiny queen, small but wise. She don't run, she just sways slow. Every move is a little show. I'm a mouse girl. Soft but I run the world. Big eyes, don't blink. Yeah, I'm cuter than you think. I'm a mouse girl. Fluff in a 3D world. Small size,
And create the
big
nose tip
vibe.
by
Made
extrusion.
in blender, I am alive. Little steps, she moves so light. Tail swings softly left to right. No rush, she's in control. Tiny body, giant soul.
Thank you so much for
Don't need
watching.
noise,
This was
don't need
part
hype.
1. We'll continue in the next video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments.